Hello, my name is Gaynor Richards and I am the very proud chair of the board of the NPTC group of colleges, which includes our 4 main college sites in Afon, Brecon, Neath and Newtown, as well as 5 other specialist campuses in the counties of Powys and Neath Talbot. I want to start off by congratulating all of our students who will be receiving their results today. We are acutely aware of how different the end of the last academic year turned out to be. However, you are now joining an illustrious group of alumni who have been successful in their studies with us at this group of colleges. You will look back on your time with us with great memories, I hope. You will also see your friendships develop further over many years into the future, all of you with the same background as an alumni of the NPTC group of colleges, something I hope you will be very proud of. I would also like to say just how amazing everybody has been in responding to a global pandemic, which none of us could have imagined at the start of this year. You have all adapted to online learning, focusing on your studies to arrive at what are once again truly amazing results for us at this group of colleges. I have been so impressed by how many of you have balanced your online learning, whilst many of you have given much of your spare time to work on the front line, undertaking some very important roles, including our involvement in your local communities, helping others and the most vulnerable members of our community in a time when that help has been exactly what was required. From the Board of Governors and myself, a heartfelt thank you. Many of you are now moving to the next stage of your journey, which for many will be university. I have to say that with the way you have performed over the past months, you are fully prepared for everything you will come across in any university. Enjoy this time. Many of you will also be moving into employment, and there has never been a more important time where your contribution to the economy is needed. Your training with us will have prepared you for work and you will play a major role now and in the future. I wish you all the best of luck. I could not leave out the incredible work that all of our staff have undertaken in supporting all of our students during the pandemic. The college is always so greatly indebted to all our staff, but this past few months have really magnified the incredible dedication that all of our staff have towards our students. To use the word we always use, you change lives. From the Board of Governors and myself, thank you. So in conclusion, I am incredibly proud of everyone, students and all the staff across the organisation who have this year exemplified the ethos of this group of colleges by living and breathing our strapline, mwy nag addysg yn unig, more than just an education. So a huge thank you to each and every one of you. Diolch o galon I bawb.